all these airplanes. Yeah, go sit in the pilot.
That's so cool.
Are you gonna be a pilot? I'll do it. You wanna do it? Okay.
This is cool, huh?
Hi, Henry. If you want, I can get it from here and get a good.
Yeah, that'd be
Henry,
great.
look at all
Henry,
of
grab
those.
that yoke right there, like you're flying.
Hold that thing.
Hold that thing.
There you go. All right, smile at me. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Good job.
Ah,
You want
awesome.
one too?
Yeah, get in there.
No, we're not gonna do it.
Look at all these levers, guys. So, where do you start? Look at all these controls even up here.
I mean,
Yeah, that's unbelievable.
yeah.
Can you sit in this chair?
What's that?
Can you
The
sit in
boom
this
operator sits there usually.
Look, little
Boom
supplemental
operator.
oxygen here. All right,
Oh,
come
is
on,
that
guys.
where
Can you sit in this chair?
Yeah.
It's here.
Usually the boom operator.
Oh, right
The guy
there.
in the back.
Cool.
Hey guys, come on up.
We're just taking a video of the solar moms and all that.
Okay. Sure.
Come on, Jay.
Well, thanks
Did you
for
take your
coming.
picture?
Sure. Hang on just a second.
All
right.
Good. Come on. Hey, how are you? We're doing well, thanks. Look, that's where you operate the boom. That is the boom plug. See it? Can you lay down in there?
That's it. So the middle, the back, you guys can feel free to lay down there yourself.
Wow,
That middle seat, you lay on
Oh,
your
it's
stomach.
actually bombs.
So you actually have
That's
to
oxygen.
lay right
Oh.
here, buddy.
Yep. Put your chin on the rest there
Oh my goodness.
and open that big window.
Jay, come on. Jay! Mommy's out here, now.
And I'm gonna freaking tell her. Freaking tell her she's doing my phone.
I'm recording all of this.
Last step's a big one.